Welcome back to my channel. It's Toby Oguntayo, and in this video we're going to be talking on differences between saving as PNG format and saving as a JPEG format. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, turn on the bell notifications, and like this video. You drop a comment if you have any questions. So let's get right into the video. Let's say we want to save as a JPEG format. Now, saving as a JPEG format, like the picture has to have a background. Say if the picture does not have a background, when you save it as a JPEG format, automatically it's going to save with a background, because that's what a JPEG format is known for. It is for saving pictures with backgrounds. Then finally, PNG format, it's saving pictures without background. Like in my last video, the video pop up here. So in that video we talked on how to save pictures without backgrounds. How to save pictures without backgrounds, images without background. So we saved as a PNG format, and that's what PNG formats are used for, saving images without backgrounds. So now we get the differences, because saving as JPEG, we save with a background, or if the picture does not have a background, when you save as a JPEG, it automatically has a background. Now PNG format, you're saving pictures without background. So if you are saving an image with a background and you're saving it as a PNG format, it's not really good, because it's gonna clash with your picture, clashing with your images. Alright guys, so that is the end of the video for now. So turn on the bell notification, subscribe, like this video, drop a comment.
It's caught in the crossfire.